Hi guys. So here we are. Exactly 4 weeks from the day I'm going to be driving away. Today is the... Today the 3rd or the 4th? It's the 4th? 5th. Woo! 5th of September, guys. Oh yeah. So we are gonna do our... We're gonna be cutting that hole right there. Or that hole. So that's gonna be cut out, the hole. And for a vent fan, it's the Dometic Fantastic Breeze. And so I've got this plastic in there, and I cleaned up what I could, and so I don't know how many like silver screws. Whoa! I just dropped it. Hello. Yeah. Well, hope you're okay. I'm okay. Just dropped it. Okay. So this is the universal vent installation kit that they gave me at Camping World. So I bought this stuff at Camping World, and this is the the wiring and screw kit, and that is what I got. And here's the fan upside down. This will be the inside actually. And it's a 3-speed. I think it's called like a Breeze or something. And yeah, yay. This is the part that goes on the inside up there. So we'll see how that works out. But here's a picture of her. Sorry, I'm on a busy street, guys. So that is what I got. Yeah. Right there. Okay, so Jeff, this is my friend Jeff, brother Jeff Loveland. You've seen him in other videos of mine. And so this is what's getting cut out.
That's it right there.
That's it right there.
It should be centered up and ready to go.
Oh, see, look, it's smaller than the cutout that's up there.
It is, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now, build a hole.
Build a hole. Dun 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 dun. And you're gonna use a sawzall, right? Jigsaw for this one.
Jigsaw. Once the jigsaw doesn't treat me right, then I'll go to the sawzall.
We'll just get harder and harder.
We've
got options.
Alright, I'm getting ready to drill through. Is it all clear?
It is all clear. The tarp is laid. Yep, all clear. Yeah, I know, this thing is hard. Wait till we try to put the pegboard up. Ooh, it's smoky. Woo!
Boom.
And there it is, guys. Make that hole as big as you can and get the jigsaw in. Now when you jigsaw that side, it's gonna be going through some foam board and tape also. So I don't know if the tape will like gum it up or what, but I'm busy and it's a little muggy right now. I'm like hot. Oh, I haven't eaten my broccoli and beef and rice bowl that I bought. Let me eat that. Over here, we've got a board for roof rack. I've got pegboards that are going to be installed. That's a hole.
Boom.
Looks like since you stopped there, you might clear that foam actually.
Oh.
That's good.
That's good.
My ears.
What?
I said my ears are ringing. Yeah, what? Wow, I'm glad I spread that thing out. We've got dirt and metal slivers. I don't know about you, but I should have wore earplugs. Yeah, my ears are ringing. Woo!